Okay, that's so hot. Hot, 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 hot. Yeah. That. Well, okay. It's gonna be so hot. Okay. Wow, still hot. Yeah, the rice still hot. Hmm. Let's give it a taste. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Very tasty. Hmm. Yeah, very tasty. And yeah, very juicy. Like I like the spice. Yeah, the spice like turmeric and others. Like mm, the spice is yeah, you can taste the spice very much. It's so good. This is actually like chicken with you can eat the bone too because it's like ayam tulang lunak they call. Yeah, you can eat the bone too. I'm gonna eat it. This actually, yeah. Hmm, nice. This one too. You can eat this too. Bone. Like that. Yeah, it's edible. Hmm. I also like the sambal. It's like spicy and yeah, you can taste it like very good. You can taste the hotness and it also has salty kinda, yeah. And actually, this is more like tomato taste, and I like it. Right. Like the combination is so harmonic. They're very good. It is so practical. Yeah, having food stocks like this, frozen food, is very convenient for us students. Yeah, for us students, college students that are too busy to cook. It is very practical. You can buy it. Um, if you want to order, you can check. You can just chat me in the comment or yeah, or you can also search on Google Maps Sophie Frozen and you can contact the yeah the info. Well guys, I think that's all the end of our video today. Bye bye.